Makes sense, sure.
No, that's cracking, right?
What?
Garmin, bow mount Garmin.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, the Kraken, the bow mount from Garmin.
Rocking.
That was a powerful move. What do you think?
Release the rockin'.
Suzuki 2.5. What you got?
Yes, sir. Ooh. Ooh. It's a big flounder. Let's go. Here he is. Here he is, boys. Let's go.
Last drop in. Somewhere right in here is where that drop off is.
We eating flounder tonight, boys. He said 15 a person. Flounder's good too.
He's going for Steve.
Going for
He's
Reds.
all alone.
all alone.
Did you?
Dude, that flounder played nice.
I bet it did.
And I mean, basically day one here. Day two really fished like 2 hours last night. Didn't really do anything. Was tired. Trying to get some fish. Caught a flounder, missed some, but at a different spot. Trying to get on some more reds, get on some basically anything. So we're here. We're trying to get on some. Day one here at the inshore for the Westbrook team. So here we go. Let's see what we can do. Let's do it. Let's do it. Big old rock. We getting smacked already, boys. Sheesh. I don't want to get a red board. That's cool, double up. Come on. I deserve one. I deserve a fish, man. I deserve it. Oh, that sucks. But the skunk is off the board. Oh yeah, nice. That's a keeper. Keeper, boys. Yep. Let's go. Timmy, it's totally different. Like the last day, I was going to a little creek or river, barely know. You're what? That's that red. Let's go. Llama Jamma, baby. He's got to be 17 on it. Oh, Millersville. Can't beat it. Yep, y'all want line. What your color? Is that a good dark color? There you go. Ooh, let's go, baby. Yeah. Dude, a great day, man. You cannot complain, man. We got on some fish, caught an Inshore SLAM, got my redfish today, got a trout this morning, got that flounder, and we're eating good tonight, man. That's the reason why we're down here, is to come down here and eat. So really, really excited. Great day. Got 2 more, day and a half left. Got a full day tomorrow and leaving on Sunday after the fish. So see what we can do. Great second, really first day. But man, get out and fish, especially saltwater. It's the time of year, man. Get out. Good day with the Westbrook team. Got on some redfish, Inshore SLAM, sea trout, flounder yesterday. About to cook it up. You see the process. This is the part everyone hates, but it is what it is. See it later. Day 3 here on this inshore fishing trip. Let's see what we can do. Just trying to get on some fish. Caught plenty of fish. Already got some to take home. Cooked the dinner last night, as you see. But today, just trying to get big, go home, and that's it, man. Have a good old day. But man, day 3. Let's see what we can do. My heart is on fire. Yep. Let's go. Alrighty, boys. Yesterday I did take that one. Went to scratch my ass and fucking BAM! I was... Hope you ready to rumble. Yep. Yo. Woo. Big. Big. Ain't crazy. Yeah, this whole bend. Sorry. Yeah, update, man. Caught some big ones, caught some PBs, and it's been great, man. So I'm gonna really show y'all, get more detailed about new videos, how I'm catching them, what I'm doing. And what we're doing is targeting, of course, oyster beds and try to cast close as you can to the grass to drop down to the oyster beds on low tide. Just cast the oyster beds, let it basically sometimes gotta work it like a jig, or you can paddle tail it back. It just depends. But using these little egger baits, really great baits. This K-tail with a belly WGs, because you can get through without getting hung up. And which is the key thing. I'm not just like using a red simple exposed hook, and they're just smacking it. Sometimes you gotta work it slow, sometimes you gotta work it fast. But I'm telling you, this is it. Good old setup. Let's go! Yep. Oh. Yep. Yeah, he's big. I don't know, it might be a flounder. Yeah, baby. Let's go. Alright, well, that's it for me, man. Great time here on the Inshore. Caught like almost every day, caught everything we needed to do, caught some fish to take home, ate some fish, caught a PB, and it was just really fun. Great weather, not hot, not too windy, not too cold, so just, man, this is great. Get out and fish, get your license, it's saltwater time, reds are everywhere, trout are everywhere, caught some flounder, can't beat it, man. Thanks for watching.